see what this molecule will do. If it's going to work for body pain like paracetamol or ibuprofen. Are we getting it? Are we getting it?
Yes, sir.
What is the function of the biochemist? What does the biochemist do? Biochemist does not sell drug. We are not licensed to sell drug, but we work hand in hand with doctors, pharmacists. If I want to open a pharmacy shop, I need to get a pharmacist who is licensed to do that, to come and register my premises. It's not a barrier for me to open a pharmacy shop, but I need a pharmacist who is licensed to totally handle drugs. Are we getting it? Yes. So we have doctors, we have pharmacists, we have biochemists, and we have chemists, we have microbiology. So all of us will work together, and all of us will do what? Hand in hand. To do what? To do what?
Work together.
When we work together, what do we work together to achieve? To do what? Let's clap for ourselves. To safeguard health of people, to improve quality of life. To improve quality of life. What are other things that we do? We ensure that the food, the drug, the water that we take are certified. They are not filled with microbes, no microorganisms that can injure our health. So we do as far as checking. Even when a pharmacist said, okay, we've come up with this, it's not about chemists this time around. Biochemists really want to check to ensure that those combinations are what? They are right. So we work on this in the laboratory. And these are part of, and when you are working in the laboratory as a biochemist, you don't have, you must do what? You must ensure that you cover your what? Your nose and your what? Your nose and your what? What is the major reason why what is the major reason why we cover our nose and our mouth? Who's going to tell us?
When we are doing operation, the germs, when the hospital to the body,
okay, let's give her a round of applause. It's basically just to do what? Just to protect germs from entering what we are doing, what we are analyzing. For example, if I want to analyze let's say water now, we want to really check whether the water that they bring to the laboratory is what is okay for us to drink, like all this pure water that we drink and blah blah blah. We go to the lab, and when you are working in the laboratory as a biochemist, you must not touch whatever you are working on with your bare hands. You must protect your hand very well to make sure that you did not contaminate any of the samples you are working with further. Are we getting it? You must make sure that you do not contaminate any of the samples you are working on. And that is the major reason why you do what? Why you, and basically don't mind me because of our time, I'm trying to struggle with my glove. Are we getting it? Do we get the major reason why I said we should not, when you are working in the laboratory, you must put on your glove. Number one reason why you put on your glove is so that you don't contaminate the samples you are working on. You know, you have taken a blood sample of a patient now, and you want to do what? You want to analyze it. You don't know whether that person has HIV or not. So in order for you not to do what? To contaminate yourself, you first do a kind of false protection for yourself. So if you are working on a food sample, so that you won't contaminate it, so that you can get an accurate result, you do what? You protect your two hands, you cover your nose and your mouth, because when you spit and you are talking, there's a tendency for your saliva to do what? To drop into the sample you are running. So for that reason you do all this. And I'm sorry children, I was supposed to cover my hair, but my tissue net is not around. So, but this is very dirty, I might not be able to put it on for you. But you need a hair cover. So you cover your head. Everywhere will be what? Everywhere will be what? Totally covered. So that what will not happen? So that jams, because you know our hair can do what? They can fall off. So that you won't contaminate the samples you are working on further. Are we getting it? Yes. Are we getting it? Yes. So a biochemist ensure that we have a quality life and safeguard our health. Okay, now, you have been talking about vaccines. If you